Hello students, this is a preview of Lesson 1.15.1, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Today we will work on your English vocabulary. We begin with first grade level Dolch sight words review. Please follow the directions and do your best. So first, please watch this video 2 or 3 times. It's going to help you improve your vocabulary as well as your pronunciation. Okay? Second, part 2, please read aloud the following words and sentences in English, then translate them and read them into your primary language using the translator on this page. So you read the words, you read the sentences in English, and then you translate them into your primary language so you can understand them better. So let's read these words and sentences in English first. After, again, any, as, ask, by, could, every, fly, from, give, going, had, has, her, him, his, how, just, no, let, live, may, of, old, once, open, over, put, round, some, stop, take, thank, them, then, think, walk, were, and when. So now we have a sentence with each of these words. Let's read these sentences together. The dog ran after the boy. She asked him to sing again. This is not an error. Save any money you can. He is as strong as a bear. I want to ask you a question. Let us walk by the river. I would give you money if I could. They need help every day. A bird will fly far from here. Where are you running from? I want to give you a gift. The ladies are going to dance. She had a surgery last night. John has a very nice car. He asked her for her hand in marriage. She told him that she was interested. The burglar robbed his home by mistake. Do you know how to play chess? She wants to let her daughter go to the movies alone. Many people want to live in California, USA. How may I help you learn English? The piece of glass cut his hand. He bought a cheap old car. She once forgot which bus to take to work. He will open the door for the lady. He ran over here when he heard noise. Can you put this ring on your finger? The earth is round. Some students study hard before tests. The police will stop the criminals from robbing the store. The nurse will take your temperature. I want to thank you for your generosity. The boys were laughing, so she laughed with them. If you save a lot of money, then you will be rich. You need to think carefully if you want to do that. The couple took a walk in the park. They were upset because they lost their money. The boy cried when he injured his leg. Okay, students, so after you read this in English, then you can go to the translate section and translate the sentences and the words into your primary language and read them in your primary language, okay? And after you finish, feel free to leave a reply, what you learned, write what you learned, how you felt about it, put your name, put your email, and then click post comment. Okay, students, thank you so much for working so hard and improving your English. Have a great day.